Alright, so this is a American Standard Stratocaster from 2008 with the stock bridge pickup installed. And I just installed a 0.0022 microfarad capacitor, very, very small value capacitor, onto the bridge pickup tone control here. And this isn't a no-load tone pod, this is just a standard CTS pod. So you do get the 250K resistance all the way up. And this capacitor is only a tenth as much capacitance as your typical 0.022 microfarad. So another zero at the beginning and you only get a tenth the capacitance, and as such it's actually not so much of a tone knob as you typically think of it, where it gets it really, really dark. It just kind of warms it a little bit. So that's all the way up, and that's all the way down. It actually, because when you engage a capacitor fully, you actually get a resonant peak right before the frequencies start getting shelved off. It actually shifts the resonant peak right into the mid-range, and you get a bit of a perceived mid-range boost. So, a lot of treble content. Shelve that treble content, resonant peak in the mid-range. Almost sounds like a P90 or something. This is especially useful if you use a lot of distortion, especially more full frequency distortion than like your typical op-amp type overdrive. I like JFET type overdrives, which typically have more of a full frequency spectrum. On a regular Strat pickup, all the way up, you're going to get a shrill tone. It's kind of harsh, it's kind of sharp. Roll that down. Actually splits decently well if you go to the second position, because as long as you have your middle pickup all the way up on the tone control, which this is wired with the first tone to both these pickups and then second to this one, then all of your quack is preserved because your quack comes from the middle pickup. It is a little bit more stratty with the tone all the way up. But there's nothing wrong with that kind of quack. Sounds pretty good to me. And of course that classic Strat quack is there whenever you want it.